Hello, my lovely foodie members. Welcome back, and I hope everybody is doing amazingly well. Today, I share with you this perfect fried rock buns recipe. If you are a lover of fried cake or rock buns, then trust me, don't go anywhere. All you have to do is to watch this video to the end, and trust me, you're going to make this super crunchy fried rock buns recipe your favorite. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So in a bowl, I'm going to crack in 2 eggs, and I'll also go in with a little bit of vanilla essence as well. And once that is done, I'll stir everything together very nicely until all is nice and well incorporated. And I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out, so do check it out after the video. Alright, so now let's mix everything very nicely, and once that is done, we're going to proceed to our next stage. Alright, so next I'll go in with some evaporated milk. Kindly feel free to use any type of milk that you want. Next, I'll go in with some sugar. I'll stir everything together very nicely until the sugar dissolves very well. And once that is done, I'm going to set this aside. Alright, so now to our mixing bowl, I'm going to go in with some all-purpose flour. Kindly feel free to use self-raising flour if that is what you want, okay? I have the recipe for self-raising flour or self-rising flour on the channel. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. Alright, so now I also added in some baking powder, salty taste, and also some nutmeg. As I said, I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. Now let's stir everything together very nicely, and once everything is nice and well combined, I'll go in with my liquid solution. Now I'm going to go in with it little by little until I achieve the perfect dough that I'm looking for. Alright, so whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. And if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel because it is absolutely free. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now I added in a little bit of margarine or salted butter because I want a very nice flavor in this rock buns. You can also omit the butter if you don't want to, okay? And I also realized my dough was very dry, so I needed to go in with a little bit of water. Alright, so now this is the perfect consistency that I'm going for. It should be very sticky and perfect, just the way you see it on your screens right now. So the more sticky your dough becomes, the more you get that perfect rocky texture on your dough after frying, okay? So this is the perfect dough that I'm looking for. Now all that is left is for us to heat up some cooking oil. Kindly feel free to use any type of cooking oil of your choice. So in my case, I use vegetable cooking oil and also sunflower cooking oil. As I said, feel free to use any type of cooking oil of your choice. And next, we're going to wait for the oil to heat up very well before we start to chopping dough. So for the dropping technique, you should drop it just the way you see it on the screens right now. It should have a very rough texture. It doesn't need to be very smooth, as if you are frying puff puff. That is why it's called rock buns, because of that rocky texture on the buns. Okay, now let's fry on low medium heat until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. As always, you should be also checking it from time to time because we really want to have that perfect golden brown color on our rock buns. Alright, so now what that is going on, if you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Can you give this video a thumbs up, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now let's fry on low medium heat, as I said, until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. And after frying the rock buns for about 5 minutes now, this is how it turned out. As you can see, it's looking all golden and perfect. It's very crispy outside, and for the inside it was looking just perfect and very soft as well. All you have to do is to trust the process, as I always say. Now let's remove our first batch, and once that is done, we're going to fry our second batch as well until everything is nice and ready. I have oats version of this rock buns recipe, and it's still my favorite because it was super delicious. I will leave that video link in the description box for you to check it out. So if you want to keep it very simple, I will also recommend this recipe for you. But if you really want to go extra miles, then the oats rock buns recipe is what you need. You're going to love all recipes, so all you have to do is to trust the process. Also, let me know in the comment section what you think about this perfect rock buns recipe, and I'll be glad to read all your amazing comments down below. As you can see, this rock buns turn out super good, and I just love how rocky it looks right now. As I said, do trust the process and you're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. And if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel, and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and see you in my next upload. Bye.